Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Writing a research paper is already challenging, but getting it published is an entirely different struggle. The moment you finish writing, you fall into a never-ending cycle, using one tool for grammar correction, another for plagiarism checks, a different one for AI detection, and then going back to ChatGPT to fix everything again. Just when you think you're finally done, a new doubt appears. Is this actually ready for journal submission? The problem is, every time you switch between tools, you lose context. You try to fix one issue, but end up creating another. Now, imagine if there was a single tool that could handle all of this in one place. Grammar corrections, plagiarism checks, AI detection, and even a complete journal readiness evaluation. Today, I'm going to introduce what I believe is one of the most powerful AI tools for the publishing stage, PaperPal. With PaperPal, you can run multiple essential checks on a single platform, starting from language and grammar review to... This platform brings together a full suite of AI-driven academic review tools, covering everything from plagiarism scanning and AI content detection to evaluating whether your paper is ready for journal submission. And the best part? You can access all of this without paying anything. If you've been juggling multiple tools just to finalize a research paper, thesis, or assignment, this solution can make your workflow much smoother and faster. Getting started is easy. Simply visit PaperPal, link provided in the description, and upload your document. One of its standout features is the ability to perform 3 major checks at once: language correction, plagiarism analysis, and AI detection, all with a single click. Just upload your file and the system takes over. For instance, I'm uploading a conference paper I worked on a few years back. As soon as the file is uploaded, the tool immediately begins analyzing it across all 3 areas. It's impressively quick as well. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have a complete report ready. As shown on the screen, the grammar review has already been processed, and the results are now displayed. Here's a completely rephrased version with a new tone and structure. The tool highlights a wide range of edits, including sentence rewrites, capitalization fixes, verb tense corrections, better use of prepositions, improved connectors, and more appropriate word choices. You can go through these suggestions step by step. Take a moment to understand why each change is being recommended, and if it improves your writing, you can approve it instantly. This approach helps you refine your paper and make it more polished and grammatically correct. It's particularly helpful for those who aren't native English speakers, as it removes the need for time-consuming manual editing. Next, let's check the plagiarism analysis. You'll see an overall similarity score for your document. When you open the detailed report, it shows not only the percentage, but also the specific sources where your content overlaps or closely matches existing material. It's important to remember that a similarity score doesn't directly equal plagiarism. It simply indicates how much of your text resembles other sources. Here's a completely rephrased version with a new structure and tone. Plagiarism can be a bit nuanced. Instead of assuming every highlighted section is a problem, take time to review them closely. Determine whether the similarity is due to accidental overlap or just standard terminology that's commonly used in your research area. Not all flagged text needs to be changed. Typically, when using other plagiarism checking tools, you have to jump between platforms, using something like ChatGPT or Grammarly to rewrite and resolve overlaps. However, with PaperPal, you can manage everything without leaving the platform. Looking at my report, most of the similarity score is coming from a few paragraphs that are very close to the original sources, even though they've already been cited. So the next step is to return to the document, use the editing tools, choose the paraphrasing feature, and revise the parts that show high similarity with existing content. The key idea remains unchanged even after rephrasing, but the sentence is expressed in a different way. However, proper citation is still essential, since the underlying concepts originate from another author's work. Acknowledging the original source is crucial, because the idea itself is not yours. In such cases, the content is rewritten in your own words, while still including the appropriate references. This helps eliminate accidental plagiarism, while ensuring that academic honesty is maintained. By applying this approach throughout the document, you can steadily reduce the similarity score before final submission. With grammar and plagiarism checks now completed, the next stage involves AI content detection. In this case, the system is showing that approximately 70% of the content has been flagged as AI generated. But the key point is not to get distracted by this percentage. What truly matters is examining the complete analysis in detail. Once you open the full report, PaperPal suggests that the overall document is still likely written by a human. Unlike many other tools, it doesn't rely on a single final score. Instead, it provides a structured breakdown in 3 levels, allowing you to clearly see how much of the text appears human-written versus AI-influenced, along with color-coded highlights directly within the document. At this stage, you can review the highlighted portions that are marked as potentially AI-like. If any sentence feels overly mechanical or lacks natural flow, you can revise it to make it sound more authentic and reader-friendly. It's important to remember that AI detection tools are meant only for self-evaluation and improvement, not as a final judgment. Even when a document is entirely written by you, it can still sometimes be flagged as containing AI-generated content. In my own experience, I had personally written a full conference paper, yet the system still indicated about a 12% probability of AI involvement. This shows that AI detection systems are not fully reliable and can occasionally misclassify authentic human writing as AI-generated. Therefore, if you are confident that your work is original and you have used AI tools in a responsible manner, there is no need to stress over these results or treat them as absolute truth. With all 3 core checks completed, PaperPal also offers 2 additional features that are highly useful before final submission. These tools go beyond simple grammar correction and plagiarism scanning, providing a more in-depth academic assessment in one unified platform. The first of these is the AI review tool, which evaluates your manuscript across several academic dimensions, rather than focusing only on language or structure. To begin, you just need to create a new document, paste your content, or directly upload your file. The next step involves using the Import Document option. After uploading your file, navigate to the Checks area and choose the AI Review feature. At this stage, the system evaluates your manuscript across multiple dimensions. It goes far beyond simple language correction. For instance, it can examine the academic strength of your content, deliver a structured technical and logical critique, and verify whether your paper remains consistent throughout. In addition, it highlights any missing components, identifies weak sections, and brings attention to important gaps that may need improvement. It also enhances readability by offering clear, structured suggestions for rewriting and refinement. You even get detailed peer review style feedback that resembles a journal evaluation. What makes it even more flexible is that you are not restricted to standard settings. You can define your own feedback requirements, and the tool will tailor its response accordingly. I highly suggest trying each option individually, as the insights and recommendations provided are genuinely helpful for strengthening your research writing. For example, when you open the Expert Peer Review section, a comprehensive evaluation appears within seconds. It begins with an executive summary that provides a broad overview of the paper's overall quality and structure.
After that, I can review the main comments on my document. Along with these key remarks, the tool also provides a clear evaluation breakdown, explaining why certain sections have been marked as weak or needing improvement. It doesn't stop there. It also gives practical recommendations that I can directly apply to strengthen my paper further. This makes it easier to refine the content in a more structured and impactful way. Similarly, I can run other AI review checks to further enhance the overall quality of the manuscript. The kind of feedback it provides is usually something you would expect from a supervisor or a peer reviewer, but the advantage here is that you receive it before actually submitting your work. Once all the suggested changes are implemented, the document is almost ready for submission. At this stage, we have already completed grammar correction, plagiarism detection, AI analysis, and a full AI review. Now, if you are planning to submit your paper to a journal, there is one final but often overlooked step in PaperPal that I strongly recommend: the journal readiness check.
The check feature works by assessing your manuscript against standard journal submission guidelines. It reviews several important aspects that most academic journals consider essential, including writing quality, citation and reference style, overall structure of the paper, abstract word count, total manuscript length, and the correct placement of tables and figures. In addition, it checks whether all necessary declarations, such as disclosure statements, are properly included, along with other required metadata and submission-related details. Using this feature is very simple. You just upload your document, and within about 5 to 7 minutes, the system generates a full journal readiness report. In my example, the analysis was completed successfully. As shown on the screen, the report provides a clear breakdown of the entire manuscript, pointing out missing elements, areas that need improvement, and specific corrections required before submission. This kind of insight is extremely useful because it helps catch issues that are often missed during manual review. In many cases, even a small omission, like forgetting a conflict of interest declaration, can lead to desk rejection and delay the review process by several weeks. By addressing these points in advance, this final step ensures your paper fully complies with journal requirements before submission. Overall, by following all these steps, you've now learned how to complete 5 essential checks using PaperPal, all within a single free platform. If you'd like to try it yourself or begin working on your own research manuscript, the link is available in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.